In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Google. Following that, select All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, click on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your first password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input any website at the top, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!